Oh my god!
Oh, it's the veteran! Whoa! Brother, I think he's gonna be able to take the picture. Oh my gosh! Brother, I think he might be able to take the picture of it.
You might get it. Is it arriving?
I'm gonna take 100 pictures of it.
Shut the fuck.
I'm trying to take 100 pictures.
I like to take a tripod. I like to take a tripod.
I'd like to take you guys' tripod and throw them on the trash.
Shut the fuck. That was not Abdul.
No.
He's not
Brother, instead of changing the color of the back.
Do you know these freight trains?
a Campbell Station.
For years, it hasn't been moving. I captured this at Campbell Station, and it wasn't really in the neighborhood.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay.
And I hate.
Look at this filmer, guys. What is this kid doing? What? What?
What's so funny? What's so funny? What's so funny?
Lucas Alexandra Mendez.
Okay.
In front.
What is that?
There's some entrepreneurs.
Joking. I'm joking. Oh my lord almighty.
You're next.
Oh no.
I got a video right
Holy cooked. No, like being chased crazy. Per hour.
Lucas is actually 75.
1, 2, 3.
Look at 1025 is actually good. 1026 is actually bad. 1027 is actually good. 1028 is actually good. 1029 is actually good. 1029. 1030 is actually the best. 1031 is actually good. 1033 is actually the GOAT.
What about 1032?
1032 is good.
Bears. Says the person that who hates it.
Fairs. Am I?
All my heart to make you proud. A song piece of shit. Nobody ever saw that.
Lucas, can we just not stand in my shot?
The train's not coming. Okay.
Can you just not stand in my shot, bro?
This could work.
Stop! Stop! No, stop. And we
Are you
also
still recording me?
Bro.
Ah!
Stop.
Guys, look at this foamer right here. Look at this foamer.
The freight train's over there at Campbell Station. I don't know why they're here. Probably they just teleport out of nowhere.
Oh, the train's still blowing its horn. Isn't that interesting?
Matfield Street.
Isn't that interesting, Lucas?
Yeah. It is so fucking interesting.
And my camera's blurry.
Ah!